In the background of the top left, you could see a couple of people sitting in despair on stairs of the temple in ruins. Well, aiming the camera at the scene, then suddenly a completely different view came out.
The detail that was painted over was a scene of a pagan temple that was rising up through the ruins of a Christian church. And this was considered problematic during the Renaissance period, with Christianity as the one and only true religion.
Upon close examination of Da Vinci's original sketch, instead of a temple in ruins, the artist seemed to be depicting a scenario in which an Egyptian temple is being rebuilt. Most notable is the fact that one of the temple columns is capped by a lotus flower, which in ancient Egypt represented the so-called flower of life.
The flower of life is the information behind how the universe was created. Everything in the universe is geometric. Sacred geometry implies that there is an intelligence behind it.
It's believed by mystics to be a symbol of advanced superconsciousness, a way of plugging into the knowledge possessed by extraterrestrial beings. Da Vinci, we can fairly say, was practically obsessed with it. And one wonders if Da Vinci actually tapped into the ultimate cosmic secrets represented by the flower of life.